I run Grace Neighbour. I'm the CEO, and we make joint support that people love to wear. But prior to that, I had an entire corporate career working in professional services firms, law firms actually, funny enough, as well as finance firms. But unfortunately, I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis when I was 28. And as my corporate career progressed and it started to become very, very difficult to maintain the level of commitment and travel and all the rest of the stuff that comes with a lively corporate career, I invented something that met my own needs. I'm always looking for ways to reduce that pain and swelling that don't involve taking more pills or more invasive treatments. I would always get very frustrated because these products, even though they're very effective, they've never been really designed to meet my needs. So they tend to be very bulky, very medical looking, very heavy, often with metal pieces inside. I developed a very lightweight ergonomic splint.
There it is there, yeah.
There it is. The sleeve it sits in so that it's specifically very, very soft and breathable and lightweight. And also you can take it on and off with a zipper easily at work. Or anywhere. So when you go into a bathroom and you need to wash your hands, you can take it on and off.
So you really brought functionality and aesthetics,
Yeah.
But I love that journey of, hey, necessity is the mother of invention. You solved your own problem.
I obviously had never sought a patent before, and it's quite an onerous and complicated process.
Not too quick, huh? Okay, it takes a while, right?
And I was really worried about all of it. The cost is quite daunting and overwhelming. When I found you guys, and I spoke to a few different law firms or lawyers, what I really liked was how down to earth and straightforward you made it seem. I really felt like I was in safe hands, that I would be guided through the process. And also there felt like there was just a very straightforward transparency. That in having the patent, it's given us a level of credibility with our customers, with potential investors, that's huge. It helps us to build moat and differentiate against potential other competitors.
Units sold in the 3 years.
Product people absolutely love. We have a 54% rebuy rate. So basically half the people who buy this will buy another one. Last year, we sold like 10 to 20,000 units.
Wow. Congratulations.
Yeah. There's certain things you do just need to say, this is outside my area of expertise and I'm willing to pay for it.
Don't take shortcuts on something that is meaningful to you.
The most succinct way of saying that, yeah.